Today's question is 26 raised to power 4 plus 39 raised to power 4 plus 65 raised to power 4 over 2. We need to find value of this. Let's see step by step. Observe the numbers. Here we have 26, 39, 65. Do you observe these all multiples of 13? Isn't it? So 13 times 2 is 26, 13 times 3 is 39 plus 13 times 5 is 65 divided by 2. In the numerator, each and every term it is in the form of AB whole raised to power of m. We can write this as a raised to power of m times b raised to power of m. So we can write this as 13 raised to power of 4 times 2 raised to power of 4 plus 13 raised to power of 4 times 3 raised to power of 4 plus 13 raised to power of 4 times 5 raised to power of 4. Isn't it? So in numerator we have 13 raised to power of 4, 13 raised to power of 4 are common. So let's take it as common. If you take 13 raised to power of 4 as common, so you'll have 2 raised to power of 4 plus 3 raised to power of 4 plus 5 raised to power of 4 over 2. So that is equal to 13 raised to power of 4. And we know that 2 raised to power of 4, the value is 16 plus 3 raised to power of 4, the value is 81 plus 5 raised to power of 4, the value is 625. We know this. So after adding this 16 plus 81 plus 625, then we are going to get 722. So let's write that. So after cancelling by 2, then you will get 361. So now what we have? We have 13 raised to power of 4 times 361. Now observe this 13 raised to power of 4. 13 raised to power of 4, we can write this as 13 raised to power of 2 times 2. So it is in the form of a raised to power of m times n. We can write this as a raised to power of m whole raised to power of n. 13 raised to power of 4, we can write it as 13 raised to power of 2 whole raised to power of 2. And we know that 13 raised to power of 2, the value is 169. And still we need to do whole raised to power of 2. 169 whole raised to power of 2. Now we are going to find this value by using our square trick. First we have to split into 2 digits. 16 we consider as a tens digit and 9 we consider as a unit digit. Our first step is square the tens digit, that is 16 square. We know that 16 square the value is 256, isn't it? So let's write 256. Then square the units digit, 9 square, that is 81. Our second step is you have to multiply all the numbers. What we have? We have 16 and we have 9 and we have 2. 16 times 9 which gives 144, isn't it? So times 2 which gives 228. So let's write here 288. After adding, then you will get 28,561. So 13 raised to power of 4, the value is 28,561. Still we need to do times 361. Up to here we can easily find the value of that. So now I am going to use a matrix to multiply 5-digit number by 3-digit number. First I will give an example. Let's take an example. Suppose if we have a 63,215 is 5-digit number multiplied by 287. Suppose if we have like this, how do we multiply? First step is you have to multiply by column. So what we have? 5 and 7. So let's take as 5 and 7. At first step we are taking first column, isn't it? For the second step you have to take 2 columns. So we have to take 1, 5, 8, 7. So third step is, so now you have to take 3 numbers, 2, 1, 5, 2, 8, 7. Fourth step is you have to take 4 numbers. Before take the 4 numbers, here we have empty spaces. These empty spaces fill it with the zeros. Now you take the 4 numbers. What we have? We have 3, 2, 1, 5. The second row we have 0, 2, 8, 7. And fifth step is you have to take 5 numbers. So you need to take all the numbers. 6, 3, 2, 1, 5, 0, 0, 2, 8, 7. Sixth step is here we need to cancel the first column and take remaining 4 numbers, which you have 6, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 2, 8. The seventh step is now you have to cancel the last 2 columns. Now you have to take the 3 numbers, 6, 3, 2, 0, 0, 2. The next step is now you have to cancel the 3 columns. Now you have to take 6, 3, 0, 0. In each and every step we are doing cross multiply. So if you do cross multiply in 8 step also, 6 times 0 is 0 plus 3 times 0 is 0. So we are getting 0. So that's why we stop this process here. And we remove this. That means we need to do only 7 steps. So we are done writing the steps. Now it's time to write the result. First, observe the first step. What we have? We have 5 and 7. So let's multiply this. 5 times 7, which is 35. So let's take only 5 here, and remaining you have to carry to next place. Before that, let's take the second step. We have 1 times 7 is 7, plus 8 times 5 is 40, which is 47. And before we have a 3, so let's add this 3 to 47, then you will get 50. So from 50, only 0 take it, and remaining 5 is the carry. And let's go for the third step. So you have to multiply 2 times 7, which is 14, plus 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 1 times 8, which is 8. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. Plus carry 5, you will get 37. So 7 write it here, and 3 carry. Isn't it? Now go for the fourth step. What we have? We have 3 to 1 5, 0 to 8 7. So let's do cross multiply. So 3 times 7, which gives 21, plus 5 times 0, that is 0. Next, what we have? 2 times 8, which is 16, plus 1 times 2, which is 2. And carry is 3. So let's write 3 here. And add all these. 21 plus 16, which gives 37. 37 plus 2, which is 39. 39 plus 3, which gives 42. So let's take only 2. The carry is 4. Now do for the fifth step. 6 times 7 is 42. 5 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 24. 1 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 times 2 is 4. After adding all, then you will get 70, and carry plus 4, you will get 74. Let's take only 4, and remaining carry 7. Let's go for the sixth step. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 1 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 times 0 is 0. 48 plus 6, which gives 54. 54 plus carry 7, then you will get 61. So let's write only 1 here, and carry 6. Now go for the last step. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0. So 12 and carry 6, 12 plus 6, which gives 18. So let's write 18. So the answer is 18142,705. Like that, you need to multiply 5 digit by a 3 digit number. Let's come to our question. What we have? We have 28,561 times 361. First, what you have to fill the empty spaces with a 0. Then first take the first column from right hand side to left hand side. So what we have? 1 1. Second step is you have to take 2 columns, 6 1 6 1. Then you have to take 3 numbers, which is 5 6 1 3 6 1. The fourth step is you have to take 4 numbers, 8 5 6 1 0 3 6 1. The fifth step is you need to take 5 numbers, 2 8 5 6 1 0 0 3 6 1. Now the sixth step is you have to cancel the last 1 1, and now you have to take the 4 digits. What we have? 2 8 5 6 0 0 3 6. Now the seventh step is, now you need to cancel one more column. Then what we have? We have 285 0 0 3. Now the another step is you have to cancel again these two, and we have to take only the 2800. And here if you do cross multiply, they are getting 0. That's why we should not take this 8th step. Now it's time to see the result. First multiply these two. What we have? 1 times 1, which is 1. So our unit digit is 1. Go for the second step. Do cross multiply. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 6 times 1 is 6. So 6 plus 6, which gives 12. So just write only 12 here. And 2 take it here, and 1 carry. Go for the third step. What we have? 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 times 1 is 3, plus 6 times 6 is 36. 36 plus 3, which is 39. 39 plus 5, 44. And 44, we need to add the carry 1. 44 plus 1, which gives 45. You have to take only 5 here, and remaining 4 carry to the next place. Go for the fourth step. So 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 5 times 6 is 30. and carry we have 4. 30 plus 4 which gives 34. 34 plus 8 which gives 42. 42 plus 18 which gives 16. So let's write only 6 here, only 0 here and 6 carry to the another place. Here we have a 6 carry. Now multiply the fifth step, cross multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 0 is 0. Then 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 0 is 0. Then 5 times 3 is 15. 48 plus 15 which gives 63. 63 plus 2 which gives 65. 65 plus carry 6 which gives 71. 7 here, 1 here. Now go for the sixth step. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 6 times 0 is 0. 8 times 3 is 24. Then 5 times 0 is 0. So 24 plus 12 which gives 36. 36 and what we have 7 carry. So let's take 7, then we'll get 43. So 3 write it here and 4 carry. Now go for the last step. 2 times 3 is 6 and 5 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 also 0. So and carry 4. So 6 plus 4 will get 10. So the result is 10310521. So like that you have to multiply a 5-digit number by 3-digit number. So 26 raised to power 4 plus 39 raised to power 4 plus 65 raised to power 4 over 2. The result is 10310521. I am going to give 3 examples to you. If you want to try it, do yourself and give your results in the comment section. And I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please support to my channel. Thank you for watching.